Hi you guys! Today I'm going to show you how to delete and deactivate your Facebook page. This is super simple, so have your phone on hand and you can follow along. Let's jump right in. Okay, so to start off, you're going to want to launch your Facebook app, and then you're going to go down to the menu button in the bottom right. And when you click that, you're going to scroll down through all your shortcuts and click See More. And then scroll down until you find Pages. Click that, and your pages will pop up. So what you're going to want to do is switch to that page. So when you click it, it's going to ask if you'd like to switch to it, and you're going to click Switch. Okay, now that I have the page that I want to deactivate open, I'm going to click on Menu in the bottom right once again. Then I'm going to scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy, Settings, and then I'm going to click on Page Settings. This is going to take me to a new page with all my personal information and privacy, etc. And once I get to this page, we're going to scroll down until we find Facebook page information. Once you get here, you're going to click on Access and Control. And here it'll bring you to Deactivation and Deletion. So when you click that, you're going to be given the option to either delete the page or deactivate the page. Basically, I'll explain to you the difference. Deleting the page will permanently delete it. You won't have access to it. Again, you'll have to recreate the page. Whereas deactivation can be really helpful if you think you may use that page again in the future. You can basically just deactivate it and make it invisible so no one can see it, and you can still go in and access it later if you do need it. So once we click that, we'll hit continue. And then it's going to ask us to re-enter our Facebook password for security. Continue. And then once you've done that, it's going to bring you to a page where you can actually select your reasoning for this. For this example, I'll click "This is temporary, I'll be back," and continue. So if you scroll down, you can actually ask Facebook to reactivate this account for you. And if you click the down arrow here, you can select how many days you'd like to wait for it to reactivate, or you can even select don't reactivate automatically. Continue. You can also transfer your information from this page somewhere else. So if you click that, you can transfer it to Google Photos, Google Docs, Dropbox, Kufer, or you can simply deactivate without transferring anything. Then it's going to bring you here and you'll click Deactivate Page. Okay, and to delete a Facebook page, it's going to be the exact same steps we did before, which I will go over. We start on our regular Facebook page. We're going to go to the menu option in the bottom right, scroll down and click See More, Pages, and then we're going to click on our page, switch over to it. Once we're there, we're going to hit the menu button in the bottom right corner. Then we're going to scroll down to Settings and Privacy, Settings, Page Settings for my art. And then we're going to scroll down to Facebook page information and click on Access and Control. Then we'll click on Deactivation and Deletion, and this time we're going to delete page. So when we click that, we'll hit Continue, and then we'll select the reason we're deleting the Facebook page. Then we'll hit Continue. So it'll bring you here to this page where you can save posts in your archive, you can download your information or transfer your information just as before. Because with this option, like I said, it is permanent, you won't be able to access this page again. However, I don't need to download anything. I'll hit Continue. Then I'm going to have to re-enter my password for my other Facebook page. Continue. Then it's going to give you a rundown telling you you're not going to be able to access any of this information, and if you're fine with that, you will hit Continue. Delete page. And there you go. Once it's deleted, it's going to switch you back over to your original account. Pretty simple, and once you know how to do it, it's super helpful. For a bonus tip, I'm going to show you guys how to access the pages that you've liked. So to start off, we'll have our Facebook page launched. Click on Menu in the bottom right, and then we'll click on See More. And scroll down to Pages, we'll click on that. And then up at the top here, you have three options, and we'll click on Liked Pages. Here, it's going to bring us to all the pages that we've liked or that we follow, and we can go back through and either unfollow or unlike. Alrighty, you guys, I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you can use this information and pass it on to somebody else who needs it. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video.